Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Wednesday, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey, friends. All right, starting in box E today. Oh, of course, that outfit.
Oh, Reese is talking with the neighbors or something.
He never barks back. So, this is just a crew cuts flannel, so J. Crew for kids. This was something I had bought for my son. I think he probably wore it once, and I listed it for, I don't know, 20, I think. So the buyer got the Poshmark VA offer, which would have been like 16 with discount shipping. They countered me at 10, which that sounds low, but honestly, I figured the most I'd get out of this would be 18, including shipping. So on Poshmark, since they're paying $7 something for shipping plus tax and everything, they're even in over $18. So
yeah,
I felt that was fair enough. It was my son's shirt, so even though I'm probably losing a few bucks, he got some wear and I got some money back. So happy with that.
Right, Poshmark, so we can use any USPS boxes.
We still have yet.
Yeah.
So I'll probably just put that in Regional A.
Regional A.
This, but Reese's gonna be so sad. You want to hear your friends, huh? What are they saying? What's he saying? Oh, Reese, I'm sorry, you gotta move your nose. I love you. You wanna lay down? All right. Aw. We're heading to the shoe shop. I gotta walk all the way around because of my messes.
And somebody suggested recently that we try to put the table like long ways this way.
Smart.
So we might try to do that as soon as.
I don't even want this table. It's just like our clutter.
We need some.
Maybe if this table wasn't here, we would actually list our stuff.
Yeah. The original idea was to have this table in place, and I was possibly going to build some more shelves. So it's kind of like an aisle right here with a workbench on top.
Eventually, we probably will need that.
Yeah, but as of right now, it just becomes.
And then when it's this table, it was just to work on what you're working on that day. So
right.
Like put it all on the table, but by the end of the day, it's gone and empty
right.
for the next day. But it just has never actually been that.
Yep.
So, yeah, it does bother me every day, though. It's so much clutter. All right. So these are some men's Tom's Chukka boots. These I did pay up for at $14.99, basically because they look like new. And I normally don't even buy Tom's. I just thought these were nice and like perfect for fall. So I'm glad I grabbed them. They sold on Facebook Marketplace for $45 plus shipping. So it was worth paying up for. Of course, we're out of eBay boxes, but those didn't sell on eBay, but the Facebook labels now, for anything over 2 pounds, I'm doing UPS, so that also cannot go in like a USPS box. So
use the USPS
we'll find
boxes.
a random box for those, but yeah. It's kind of annoying that I'm having to go to UPS. Luckily, they're like right next to our post office place, but it's like a $3 savings for the buyer, and I feel like I'll make more sales because of it, and it's not really much out of my way. So
right, we're fortunate to have multiple
places.
Yeah, we have USPS post office, which is kind of in a bank, but it's an actual post office branch, so they can do everything there. We also have like a UPS store, a postal annex. I think we have a Walgreens and dollar store. I feel like you could drop
Walgreens,
FedEx at those things. Yeah. So we have lots of places to drop it all off.
So, yeah, within like a mile.
Within a mile, yeah.
So these, now if only we could get a thrift store within the
That's
mile
true.
of our home. These are just some Uggs. They're like a youth size, like a slipper mule. I think you could wear them indoor or outdoor. Those I picked up locally at a local thrift for $6.99, and they sold for $30 plus shipping on Facebook. They are over a pound. But for this one, I just did regular.
Because it's not over 2 pounds.
It's only like 30 cents different on the 2 pound label. We're like out of like everything. Not out of, just out of.
We've had a busy morning. We did a live stream today. So you'll probably have already seen that by the time this video goes up. But we've just been busy all day.
Yeah. Well, every day.
Every day, yeah.
Especially this week has been really busy.
This week has been.
What was I talking about the slippers?
A box.
No,
Oh,
what were
sorry.
you talking about? I don't know.
I don't know.
Reese, I gotta get in BC, buddy.
Oh, we're just ruining his day. Reese Bear, come here. You want me to open the window again? Maybe the neighbors stop barking?
Who's out there?
There you go. There you go.
Alright, so these are some kids' Stride Right little sneakers. I normally don't pick up this brand, but these were only $1.99 and they were in like perfect condition. I figured I could get at least $12 plus shipping, which is what I ended up getting. So, also these are the Surprise by Stride Right, which is like sold at Target. I normally wouldn't pick up that one. I thought these were just the normal Stride Rights because I think the Target ones only retail around 20, but the real ones retail for like 40 to 50. So, because they're real leather, these are like a faux leather. So, anyways, they still sold for 12 plus ship. That's like a $9 profit. I'm happy with that.
Oh.
Those are going out in a mailer though.
Reese, you got dust all over you, man.
Well, I saw on the live stream earlier, I don't think we read the question out loud, but somebody mentioned, because I'm always in here trying, like, digging through, deciding what to buy. They said, I think they said just, like, basically put them in random order, and then just whatever's on top, just pick that out. So
that's a good idea. I didn't see that one.
It's just like, those are kid shoes, so I want to pick a kid together. You know how I'm a weirdo.
Yeah, that would take away your joy of the day, right?
My only joy, not really.
Only joy.
Yeah, right. Alright, so these are some men's Asics sneakers. I have $8.96 into these. I normally can get around $50 plus shipping for this style, but someone offered me $35. Yeah, I could get a little more, but I thought that was a fair enough offer that I accepted because that's about a $20 profit. And I'm happy with the $20 profit, so yeah. I think this one looks like it's about to bust open, but we'll try it.
Yeah, we had one we pulled out from there the other day, and it didn't have any glue. Like, it was just not even attached, wherever right here. So that was kind of weird.
Careful, I guess. With
Good thing it was
boxes.
free. Have no one to really complain to, but
This looks like we can at least tape over the edge.
Yeah.
So,
we have received some eBay boxes like that in the past.
which is a bummer because we don't. I mean, it's free with our coupon, but
Yeah.
it's still annoying because you only. They're expensive if you're actually paying for them. So,
Yeah.
like, if someone else got those,
Actually took them down in the shop and glued them up.
yeah, but, like, we shouldn't have to do that.
Right.
Those are like $30-something for like 20
Yeah.
boxes. So, anyways, I sold these Nike Flyknit like sneakers. These I did pay up for at Goodwill, $22.99. So I saw comps around 60 to 70. I listed mine for I think 79 on Posh. Someone offered me 60. I was happy to accept, but because of the high cost of goods, I'm just about doubling my money there. So this was one I felt comfortable doing that with because it's just Nike and it's like always gonna sell. So yeah, I can't show you guys what I'm shipping anything in today.
Is that another brown box then?
That will just be, that's Posh, so just a shoe box or
Oh.
a regional B, but we don't have either right now.
We're bad at our job.
Yeah, you can tell by our organization here. The shoe shelves, the bins in the corner. Alright, these are some little Soft Star moccasins. That's the brand Soft Star. I've sold one pair of these in the past and they sold really quickly for good money. So when I saw these, I was excited to grab them. I listed them at 30 plus shipping on Facebook and that's what they sold for. So I have $4.55 into those.
Y'all done looking through the window?
Give me the mean mugging. He's like, you better not make me move again. Alright, I sold these Corkies.
Oh, yeah.
Heels. I have $4.50 into these. They sold for $23 with discount shipping, so the buyer accepted the Posher VA offer that one out. Right, and last but not least, a viewer sale to Rachel. So we got AO. This was a bundle.
Almost had to move them.
My boy. And then the other thing I think is in my bin because I just listed it. It's right here. So the first thing was this mini Bowden kid shorts. These were something for my son. And then this was my personal shirt, actually. I only wore it once, though, because it just didn't fit me that great. So hopefully it fits you better, Rachel. It's a super cute shirt. So she actually put these both in her cart on Citizen, and I sent her an offer of $20 with free shipping for both. The shirt is just from Walmart, so I don't remember what I paid, but it couldn't have been terribly much.
Right.
And then these were my son shorts, which I got off Citizen probably, I didn't write it down, but I don't even know. Probably around $12 to $15. So just getting money back since those were personal items. So $20 free ship, $5.15 was the shipping label cost through Citizen. So yeah, probably making $12 back on the both of those. So
all right.
Thank you so much, Rachel.
Yeah, thank you so much for the support, Rachel.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff packed up. Probably have to go find some more boxes somewhere.
Stuck it.
We'll let you take a break today, Reese. All right. All right. We'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything all packed up, ready to go. We did not have any more sales come in.
No. We did pull some boxes from them.
Yeah, I got some more boxes out from the trailer. We've been keeping them in the trailer for us since we've been getting larger quantities than usual, expecting some higher sale volume in fourth quarter. So yeah, we've been trying to make sure we have enough of our USPS boxes in stock, just because they have a chance of running out of their inventory during fourth quarter. I suggest you guys go ahead and get some of your own if that's something you're going to be using. It's a good time to get stocked up in preparation for fourth quarter. It is a little bit later than usual. We got to run and get the boys from school like right now. So we're going to call it here. And I thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.